We have finally done it. We have launched our Design for Accessibility course. I know, I can't believe it. This is something that my audience has been asking for literally years. If you didn't know already, in July 2025, the EU changes laws and implement the Accessibility Act. And that means we are one step closer to having accessible products for everyone. Now, even though this law has been implemented, a lot of people still don't understand accessibility or even know how to implement it as part of their design process. But that's okay, I've got you covered. The Design for Accessibility course is a self-paced course that has been designed specifically for designers or anyone who works within the product development field to help you understand accessibility and how to implement accessibility as part of your design and product process. It strips away the overwhelm of the web content accessibility guidelines and gives you real examples, simple and clear, of how you can implement this into your design practice and how you can work together as a product development team to get accessibility as part of your development process. It will teach you how to work together, give you practical guides and step-by-step tips to have conversations with stakeholders, to understand diverse users, apply the core principles, perceivable, operable, understandable, and robust, and go into detail of what each of these means and how you can implement them. It shows you how to write for accessibility with clean, plain language, how to resonate with your audience, and not exclude users depending on what technology they use. If you learn visually, it also has a FigJam template where you can go through the lessons and really start to implement what you've learned. Now, this is the first launch, and eventually I will be adding more. Templates will be coming soon, so keep an eye out for that. Just so you know, you do have unlimited access. Pay once, you get a login, and even when I add new things to the course, you will instantly gain access to whatever's added next. So don't worry if you feel like you may miss out in the future. Payment option, which is currently this, it may go up within the future, but currently I've tried my best to keep it at a price which is affordable, cost effective, and you will get unlimited access once you've done the one-time purchase. So if you're genuinely serious about learning accessibility and how to implement accessibility as part of your design process, then I highly recommend you check out this course. There's a link in the description below, or you can head over to Design Accessibility Academy, where you can read even more about the course, pay for the course, log in and get access to the full content. And don't forget, at the end of it, you'll get a snazzy certificate that you're able to add to your LinkedIn profile if you wish, or put it within your portfolio or on your CVs just to show your credentials, to let employers know that you know exactly how to implement accessibility and how to make accessibility as part of the design and development process. If that's something you're interested in, then I highly recommend you go check that out. But that's it for this video. I really just wanted to introduce my course. I'm so excited that I finally get to launch it. It's been something I've been truly working on for half a year at this point, and I put so much effort into it. I tried to make it as fair as possible, accessible as possible, and tried to make it as easy as possible to understand accessibility, because once you understand it, there's no going back. If you have signed up for the course, please let me know in the comments below how it went. If there's any improvements I can do, please feel free to reach out and email me. If there's anything that you would like added to the course, I really want to keep building on top of this learning academy, so anything you can do to help, I will be super grateful. And if you can't afford to maybe sign up for it right now, then why not download my free accessibility checklist? And if you'd like to share this course online, honestly, brilliant. If you can share this with anyone within your business, anyone on your LinkedIn platforms, maybe get your business to pay for the course for you, I would be super grateful. And yeah, hopefully I get to see you soon. Until next time, bye.